My family. My family is my world, the core of everything I cherish and love. Each member is unique, with their own strengths, personalities, and quirks, yet we all share a powerful bond that keeps us connected no matter what. There are 5 of us: my father, my mother, my older sister, my younger brother, and me. Together, we create a lively, loving household that is my safe haven, a place where I feel loved, supported, and understood. Every day, I am thankful to be a part of this incredible team, which not only brings joy into my life but also teaches me valuable lessons. My father is the foundation of our family, the steady and reliable figure who guides us with wisdom and strength. He works as an engineer and has a very busy schedule, but he always makes time for us. Evenings are precious, as he sits with us after dinner to talk about our day, share stories, and often teach us things about the world. He has a passion for science and history, and he loves explaining how things work or sharing interesting facts about different cultures and places. I admire his patience, which shines through every time he helps me with my homework or guides my younger brother in building something new with his Legos. Weekends are especially exciting because he plans activities like science experiments or takes us to museums and parks to broaden our horizons. His calmness in every situation makes me feel safe and secure, and his sense of humor is something we all love. He often shares stories from his childhood, filled with fun and adventure, reminding me that he was once a curious kid too. His gentle encouragement inspires me to dream big and work hard. I look up to him not just as my father but also as a role model who exemplifies kindness, determination, and resilience. My mother is the heart and soul of our family. She creates a nurturing environment where each of us feels valued, loved, and supported. She manages our home with grace, juggling endless tasks while ensuring that everyone is happy. She has a unique way of making even the simplest moments feel special. Her cooking is amazing, and each meal she prepares is like a warm hug, filled with love and care. We gather around the dinner table every night, sharing our thoughts, laughter, and stories from the day. These moments create a sense of unity and togetherness that I cherish. My mother is also an avid gardener, and our backyard is her pride and joy. She has transformed it into a beautiful, colorful space filled with flowers, vegetables, and herbs, and she often invites me to help her water the plants and pick vegetables. Gardening with her has taught me the importance of patience, care, and nurturing. Beyond her love for gardening, my mother is incredibly understanding. I turn to her with my worries and frustrations, knowing that she will listen patiently and offer wise advice. She has a calming presence and can make even the toughest situations feel manageable. I am grateful for her kindness, patience, and strength, and I aspire to be as compassionate and graceful as she is. My older sister is my confidant, role model, and best friend. She is exceptionally creative, with a passion for art, literature, and music. Her room is filled with her beautiful paintings and sketches, and she loves reading books that transport her to different worlds. Her creativity knows no bounds, and she's always exploring new ways to express herself through her art and writing. Whenever I need help with a school project or feel stuck, she's the first person I go to. She explains things with patience and makes even the most challenging topics seem fun and interesting. Beyond her creative talents, she has a kind and caring heart. She's always there to lend a helping hand, whether it's volunteering at a local event or simply listening to me when I need someone to talk to. Her empathy and understanding make her a wonderful sister and friend, and I admire her immensely. She encourages me to be myself, embrace my interests, and think outside the box. I am lucky to have such an inspiring person in my life who reminds me of the power of kindness, creativity, and compassion. My younger brother, the youngest in our family, is a source of endless laughter and energy. His curiosity is infectious, and he's always exploring, asking questions, and discovering new things. He has a passion for building with Lego, creating intricate structures, and coming up with stories about his creations. Although he's younger, he has a sharp mind and a sense of humor that keeps us all entertained. His favorite activities include playing video games, going on outdoor adventures, and engaging in friendly competitions with me and my sister. His playful spirit brings lightheartedness into our lives, reminding us to have fun and enjoy the little moments. Despite his young age, he surprises us with his clever ideas and quick thinking, making him a joy to be around. He's my little partner in crime, and although we sometimes argue, our bond is unbreakable. He teaches me to stay curious, be adventurous, and always look for the joy in life's simplest pleasures. I love spending time with him, and I feel grateful to have such a bright and lively little brother. As a family, we have certain routines and traditions that bring us closer and create a sense of unity. Every evening, we come together for dinner, sharing our highs and lows from the day. We also have game nights where we play board games like Monopoly, Scrabble, and Uno. These games are fun, and they bring out our competitive sides in a light-hearted way. Laughter fills the room as we play, and I love these moments because they make me feel connected to each family member. Another tradition we enjoy is our movie nights, where we gather with popcorn and pick a film everyone can enjoy. These nights are cozy and relaxing, allowing us to unwind and bond. On weekends, we often go for outings, like visiting a park, having a picnic, or going for a bike ride. These outdoor adventures are some of my favorite times, as they allow us to be active, explore new places, and spend quality time together. Holidays and celebrations are incredibly special in our family. We celebrate birthdays with decorations, cake, and small gatherings, making each person feel cherished and appreciated. During major festivals like Christmas, Diwali, or Eid, our home becomes a place of joy, filled with lights, decorations, music, and the aroma of festive dishes. We all help decorate the house, cook traditional foods, and even create handmade cards and gifts for one another. These celebrations are not just about the festivities, they're about togetherness, creating memories, and appreciating each other. Our family traditions, like exchanging thoughtful gifts and preparing special meals, add meaning to these occasions and remind me of the importance of love and gratitude. Our family values education and personal growth, encouraging each other to learn, explore, and expand our horizons. My parents support our interests, whether it's reading, art, or science, and provide us with resources and guidance to help us grow. My father shares his love of reading with us, often discussing books and inspiring us to see the world through different perspectives. My mother, on the other hand, teaches us essential life skills, from cooking to budgeting. These lessons prepare us to be responsible, independent, and thoughtful individuals. Our family also believes in giving back to the community. We occasionally volunteer together, helping at local events or supporting causes close to our hearts. These experiences teach us empathy, gratitude, and the joy of helping others. Being part of such a loving, supportive family fills me with gratitude and joy. Our family bond gives me confidence, security, and a sense of belonging that stays with me every day. Through all the ups and downs, I know that I have a team of people who will stand by me, support me, and love me unconditionally. This sense of unity and love is a priceless gift, one that I will cherish forever. My family is my greatest strength, my constant source of happiness, and my guiding light. They teach me the importance of kindness, patience, honesty, and resilience, values that I carry with me in every aspect of life. I am truly blessed to have such a wonderful family, and I look forward to creating many more beautiful memories with them as we journey through life together.